Okay, so let's start the new design, and here we can start with the circle. So let's make this first small circle that is with a diameter of 20 millimeter. So select this circle with diameter. It will ask for the initial point or the center of the circle, so specify that is 0, 0, so it will snap that. So this is the first circle central point. Diameter is 20 millimeter. Okay, and now we can take another circle with radius. We can make another circle with radius 25. So select radius and again put the center 0, 0 and specify radius as 25. So these two circles are now ready. Now we need to copy this and make a duplicate copy of this. So select both of them, go to modify and copy, and then we can paste them from here in the upward direction with 50 millimeter height. Okay, so now it is done. So these two circles are apart from 50 diameter. We can put the line from these two circles, so select the line command and then specify on this point to this point. Now I can go backward direction or the left hand side with 70 centimeter. Okay, and then again upward direction with 50 millimeter, and then it goes back to close. So this side is also now ready. On the other side again we need to specify only one line. So we can choose these 2 points, and now the line is ready. And for making another line here, so I will use the offset command. So we can go to the offset setting, we can click the offset command. It will ask for the distance for the offset, and we can specify 35 because we need this line to be shifted, 35 millimeters above this. So we can specify 35 and press enter. Now we have to select this line, and on the upper direction it will show the line will come here. We have to just click on that. So this line is now ready. So almost the geometry is now ready. So we need to trim some of these lines. So we need to select all and then press trim command. So now it will select everything. So we can delete this line, delete this line, delete this one and delete this one. And that's it. So our geometry is now ready. Press enter. Now let's specify the dimensions. So dimensions, let's go to this point to this point, drag it outside. So let's select it, make it more visible. Go to properties. I'll change the color. Line scale no, so okay. Let's go to the arrow, maybe 1. It will look bigger. So 2. Then let's go to the extension 1. Line offset, no, it's not needed. Then text, we can put 2 or a little bigger, more bigger. So 3 is enough, I guess. And then okay. And what else? Yes, we can specify the precision, so we don't need the points. So this looks something like this. Even I can go a little more bigger. So let's change the arrow size to 5 and font height also 5. Okay, that's good. Now it looks better. So this is one thing. Let's specify another dimension from here to here. This one, from here to here. This one, and also one more dimension from here to here. Goes down. And finally the circle dimension for the circles. So one with the radius, external one is with the radius, and another with the diameter. So this one we need to specify with the diameter. So let's copy this style. So from here we can copy this style and we can paste it here, and paste it here, here and here. So that's it. Now our diagram is ready. We can also add central point of this circle by using this command. So we can add center to these circles. Okay. If you like this video, please click on the like button and also subscribe to my channel.